Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com and PaintballProps.com. This is the Laser Blazer IR-XX02 module. It acts as an infrared learning unit with retransmit abilities. There are three primary modes of operation, and I'm going to go through each of them, and I'm going to use my Ubisoft laser tag guns to demo them for you. I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to go through several examples, so I hope I can keep your interest. The first function I'm going to show you is repeater mode. Now first let me talk about the circuitry. This is your receiver, your retransmitter. I can outfit it for much higher power, but right now the power is quite great. Very high power can be requested. You just have to ask, and I'll add it at an additional cost. This is the retransmit button, and this is the reset button. So let's first go through retransmit mode. To power it, I can use the 9-volt AC adapter that is included, or you can use a battery adapter right here on the V+ and GND pins. In order to enter into the repeater mode, you must have a jumper selecting B, not A. So I'm going to power it up, and I'm going to shoot the receiver with my Ubisoft gun. Plugging it in. Now I'm going to shoot the receiver with one of my two guns. And the LED lit up saying that code has been programmed. So at any point now, if I press the TRS button, that means transmit, it will retransmit the learned signal through this infrared emitter. Gun 1 is on the left, gun 2 is on the right. I've programmed in the signal from gun 2 into the repeater. I'm going to press the retransmit button. I'm going to hold the button down. It's got a very wide angle. If you want to focus it, you'll have to outfit with this with the lens. But this can turn anything into a prop, and it should learn any signal from any 38 kilohertz based laser tag gun. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to press the reset button right on the bottom. The LED will blink saying, okay, waiting for a new code, and I'll shoot the signal from gun 1 into the receiver and shoot gun 2 with it. That only took me a second, and now let's talk about the other modes of operation. This is the 10 auto retransmit mode, and in this mode what happens is when you shoot the receiver, the unit retransmits that code 10 times at a slow pace. So to get to this mode, what you have to do is select A with this jumper and connect 9 and 12 together via a jumper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in, and I'm basically just going to shoot the receiver, and you'll see it retransmitting 10 times. I'll aim it at gun 2. As you can see, the unit is aiming at both guns. So I will shoot with gun 1. So it retransmitted the same signal 10 times and hit 9 times. And the reason why it didn't hit all 10 times is because there's a delay between when you can get hit with these specific guns. So if you saw on the transmitter the little LED turning on, the blue LED turning on, that means that's telling you when it's transmitting. So it hit 9 out of 10 times. So that's the 10 repeater mode. In infinite repeater mode, once you shoot it with the gun, it will continue non-stop shooting at a higher frequency until you press the reset button. In order to enter into infinite mode, you must select A with this jumper and connect 12 and GD. I'm going to shoot with the left gun, and it's going to hit the right gun, and it's continually going to retransmit. Now, when I said higher frequency, I meant lower frequency. So if you enter in an area, once in a while it'll miss, but it is retransmitting the same signal every time. So there you have it. Those are the three modes. You know, and now know how to use it. If you want me to mod it for higher power, I can do that. It'll just cost a little bit more. If you want to have the transmitter and receiver placed on wires to extend above the board, I can do that for a small extra cost. If you want as well, I can add a battery connector so that this is more mobile and that you don't have to plug this in. It's designed so that you can make it mobile or you can mount it as a turret. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching, everyone.